Yo, hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. So today we're gonna play Animal Rivals 3v3 gameplay, but we cannot communicate to each other. So we made sign language.
No communication!
Serious right now, bro? Like, are you serious?
I hope you guys like this video. Let's go.
Alright, let's go.
Well, first match. Let's City girl, city girl, city boy, city boy.
This is the plush boy Dan POV. We made some signals, so if you see us doing some random synchros.
Well, first match. Let's have a good game. All right, go to team chat.
Turn off your mics. Turn off your mics. This is honestly an easy match, but I'm going to your trenches, chat. No communication.
There's no communication, which means I can't tell Shady or Daniel what I'm doing. I have stick drift, so I can't really do stuff. But no communication.
Your mic is on. Turn it off.
I can't talk to them, guys. If I talk to them, the round's over.
Making sure you guys can hear me. Okay. We can't talk, so I can't say I got them low. So that's gonna be hard. Oh, we all died. It's fine, it's fine. No. I hit that, bro. I'm low. Oh! Hold on.
Ding it, bro. Ding it. This guy's honestly really easy to kill. Oh my gosh, he killed me when I had stick drift, and he got. Yo, is that my body?
Round starting.
Alright, this is kind of quiet.
Round starting.
Said no communication.
Let's go.
We never said.
Damn it. Okay.
Round starting.
No, I can't. Up there. Damn it. Okay. Let's go. Okay.
Guys, we're doing so good right now. Guys, if you're watching, you got to subscribe. You got to.
Damn it! No. Oh, this is bad.
Guys, it's a long
Okay, this is real bad. Okay, then you got this
doesn't
though.
have the best health. Daniel
By the
doesn't
way,
have the best health.
Silent does have stick drift. Well, I don't know if it's stick drift, but like his nocturne just like. No, bro.
No, worry,
Bro. All right, y'all. That was a really
no
close
close,
match,
crazy.
but we're gonna do another 3v3 match and see if we win that one.
Round starting.
Yeah, no.
I hate white kids. Oh no!
Oh yeah, 160. Then 160.
Round starting.
Stay together.
I thought you know you're using Xbox.
What?
For everything matches like smile.
White kids hit the N-word?
Ah, shit, I'm it. And I got 3 teams.
Bro, you were holding hands, bro. I can't hear it, bro.
You said the N-word too. Triple team and you're
Round
literally holding
starting.
hands, so why
I
are you talking?
swear I heard the end of it, bro. Hit nobody? Hit nobody? They didn't ever hit me, by the way. Dead?
Oh, he's on our side. He's on our side. He's right here.
I killed one.
Triple team when you're literally holding hands, so why are you talking? Get out of the game. Idiot. Okay. Rush. Daniel, get out of the call.
I'm just leaving notes down. Yep, you can just kill our teammate. Our teammate sucks.
The bomb hit me, but it didn't do it.
His teammate's already dead because he's rushed. Right there. His teammate's already dead because he's rushed.
Come on, no. Thanks.
I'm dead. He's on our side.
Over here.
They both are.
Bro. Easy, you win. I don't care if I'm spamming Uzi. I actually don't care.
When there's an Apex on their team, it's crazy.
Round starting.
Okay, 40. I stole my shots. Going down in trenches. Okay, here. Damn it!
Auto shotgun is actually kind of wild. And you just died with me.
Oh, I locked in.
Wow.
I do 100 my teammate you gotta be hacking.
Round starting.
Yo, we're doing so good even though we're not communicating. Auto shotgun is wild, bro. Auto shotgun is wild, bro.
Had auto shotgun and still died.
Imagine losing
Embarrassed. I hope you guys liked that video. Please like and subscribe for more content. Go subscribe to Silent VR right here.
No communications.
Plush Boy Dan and my main channel right here. Peace.